Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. Friends, if you want to change your display name in Facebook, then you need to open Facebook app. Now here you need to press on three lines. Now here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Here press on account center. Now press on profile and personal details. Now press on your Facebook account. Now here you will find option to change the name. So press on name. Now you can change your name over here. Now here you need to carefully change your name, as if you done some mistake, then you will not be able to change the name up to 60 days. Now after do the required changes in the name, click on review change. I am not clicking it as I don't want to change my name. So friends, like this you can very easily change your name on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.